Hello everyone. So I have ordered this yoga mat which I'm gonna unbox in front of you all guys. I have ordered this from Amazon. It is a WitFit kit non-slip yoga mat with shoulder strap and carrying bag. Now let's see how it has arrived. We all need a yoga mat for home workout, gym workout and outdoor workouts whenever we go to any garden or like nearby a swimming pool. So I needed this yoga mat and thought that you might also need some reviews so that you can order it too. As you can see, I'm quite confused which way to go. So I will go with tearing the bag, which I have almost completed, and I can see the bag coming out. It's a black color carrying bag. It's a black color carrying bag. So workout, it's a good workout is really good because one who sweats more in training bleeds less in war. So here our yoga mat is out and I'm quite excited and thrilling to show you all this. See this bag which has come with it now, it's really beautiful and I'm quite impressed by it. I'm gonna take it out for you guys. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. It's a purple plum color which I really liked, but these mats are available in different colors also, black, grey. Now you want me to use this, so I'll let you know in the morning tomorrow. As you can see, I have woken up early in the morning to tell you guys how this yoga mat looks like. Now many of us prefer doing yoga on cemented place also, so let us go to terrace and see if we can use it on cemented place also. As you can see, I usually prefer working out on cemented place. So a lot of us like to exercise on their terrace also. So I have spread my mat over the cemented place like you have already seen. So this morning I'm gonna exercise on my terrace and I will let you know how this mat works. So today's workout I have been doing on this mat. One who sweats more in training bleeds less and more. I have totally loved this mat. If you like the reviews, please give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.